In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to make images clickable. We'll start inside the Squarespace editor on the page where you want your clickable image. Open the page, then click Add Block to insert new content. From the block picker, choose the image block. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar in the block menu and select Image. Drop it where you see the placement guide so it lands exactly in the spot you want. In the image block, click Add an Image. Next, choose Select from Library to open your site's image library. If you don't already have the image you want, click Browse Stock Images to search a free stock library. Search for a keyword that matches your content, then pick an option you like. After selecting the image, click Add to bring it into your block. With the image loaded, let's refine how it displays. Open the Design tab in the block settings. Here you can switch between Fill and Fit. Fill crops the image to cover the entire container edge to edge, which is great for strong, bold layouts. Fit preserves the entire image without cropping, which is ideal when you want to keep the original proportions. Toggle between Fill and Fit to see which looks best with your layout and spacing, then settle on the option that fits your design. Now make the image clickable. Go to the Content tab and click Attach Link. The link panel lets you choose where your image should lead. For this demo, pick a page on your site and select your home page. You might see it listed with Our Home path in the chooser. Select it so the link shows as Home in the field. This connects the image to that page, so anyone who clicks the image will be taken there. Before wrapping up, confirm your image is the one you intended. You'll see the file name in the image section of the block settings, which is a quick way to double-check you attached the right visual. When everything looks good, click Save to apply your changes. Give the page a quick preview, hover over the image to confirm the cursor changes, and click it to verify the link goes exactly where you expect. If the image appears slightly cropped or too small, revisit the block settings and switch between Fill and Fit until it looks just right. That's it. You've added an image block, customized its appearance, and attached a link so the image is fully clickable. This is a simple, reliable way to create visual buttons, featured banners, or linked galleries anywhere on your Squarespace site.